This is the K&N air filter out of my 1985 Honda Shadow VT 700C. Never you can see in there, but it's pretty dirty. I'm going to clean it out and re-oil it. I sprayed some of this air filter cleaner on it and washed it out with hot water. This is what it looks like after being washed out. I had the cleaner sprayed on it and washed it out with hot water. See, it looks a lot cleaner on the inside. I just gotta wait for it to dry 24 hours and then I can spray it. Here is the filter after it's been cleaned and re-oiled. I just got to put it back on the bike. We got the filter back in. I just need to put the side cover on, tighten it up. 10 millimeter socket to tighten these up. Then I can put the wires on. Okay, get all the wiring connectors put back on. It should be good to go. That'll do it.